Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. Now it turns out that people are driving on the construction site for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. And recently there was an accident where a car drove off the edge of the road. So the authorities are reminding people that they are not to drive on the road because it is still a construction site. Now, how many times have we heard this in Jamaica? Almost every time a major highway is being built, we hear this warning. Now, I agree, you shouldn't be driving on the road until it's completed or open to the public. But the people who are building this road need to secure the entrances and the exits. Now, when Highway 2000 was being built from Maypen to Williamsfield, they had a barricade up, one of those steel barricades, and it was manned by somebody, whether it's a security guard or an employee of the company. So you would go, because we make videos of the construction, and you'd have to go and get a pass. So you go to the gate, show them the pass, and they let you on the road. They need to do this for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. You can't just have it where you just drive in. You need us to secure the entrance and the exit. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to go through an article giving you more information on what happened with the Montego Bay Perimeter Road incident. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road project, a much anticipated development aimed at alleviating traffic congestion in Montego Bay, has unfortunately become a site of reckless behavior and public safety concern. Despite the road still being under construction and not officially open to the public, many motorists have taken it upon themselves to use portions of the unfinished road. This unauthorized usage recently resulted in a dangerous incident that underscores the urgent need for the public to adhere to safety guidelines. On a Thursday morning, a woman driving on the incomplete section of the perimeter road near the Salt Spring area lost control of her vehicle. The car veered off the unfinished pavement and plunged into a ravine. Thankfully, she survived the ordeal with no major injuries and was taken to the hospital for routine checks. While the outcome was not tragic, it serves as a stark warning about the potential consequences of using infrastructure that has not yet been deemed safe for public use. Stephen Edwards, Managing Director of the National Road Operating and Constructing Company NROC, has since issued a public appeal stressing that the Montego Bay Perimeter Road remains an active construction site. He acknowledged the public's excitement and eagerness to see the project completed, but emphasized that safety must come first. According to Edwards, no convenience or time saved by cutting through the construction site is worth the risk of injury. The increasing trend of motorists using the unfinished road to escape traffic or shorten their commute time reveals a deeper issue of public discipline and respect for regulations. Infrastructure like the perimeter road are developed not just for convenience but with long-term safety and structural integrity in mind. Using them prematurely undermines these goals and places both the driver and potential construction workers at serious risk. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.